me at the bank at 3 p.m. Easy. I know the perfect spot by the river. This is the best spot in town. So peaceful. Wait, nobody's here. Where is she? Oh no, she means the other bank, the one downtown. I can't believe I went to the wrong bank.
Hey everyone, welcome back to SomSee Studio.
Hi friends, we're so happy you're here again.
Today we have a really fun word. It has two meanings, and the two meanings come from two totally different places.
Ooh, I like this one. Wait, before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SomSee Studio. It really helps us.
Yes, please. Okay, Alice, are you ready?
Ready. What's the word?
The word is bank.
Bank. Easy word. I know this one. Bank. Like, I need to go to the bank.
Right, that's one meaning, but there's another one. Do you know it?
Riverbank?
Yes, exactly. Riverbank. So today we talk about bank number 1 and bank number 2.
I love this. Okay, let's start with the easy one. Bank. The building. The place with money.
Right. Listen to this sentence. I go to the bank on Monday.
I go to the bank on Monday. Let's say it together, everyone.
I go to the bank on Monday.
One more example. She works at a bank. Simple sentence. Subject, verb, at a bank.
And one more. I keep my money in the bank. Very useful sentence, right? Everyone needs this one.
Yes, we all use money, so we all need this sentence.
Okay, now meaning number 2, the riverbank.
This is the ground next to a river, like the grass or the dirt beside the water.
Right. Example, we had a picnic on the riverbank.
We had a picnic on the riverbank. Nice, relaxing sentence.
Another one, the kids were playing by the bank of the river.
And one more, I like to walk along the riverbank in the evening. Very peaceful.
So now we have two meanings, bank, the money building, and bank, the ground next to a river.
David, quick question. Why? Why is it the same word for two different things?
Great question. This is my favorite part. Long, long ago, there was an old word. It meant something like a raised, flat place, like a bench.
A bench? Like a seat?
Yes, a bench, or a table, or a small hill, something that sticks up a little higher than the ground around it.
Okay.
Now imagine a river. Next to the river, the ground is a little higher. It's like a small raised strip of land. People call that a bank.
Oh, because it's raised like a bench.
Exactly. Now a different story. Long ago in Italy, money changers sat outside at a market, and they sat at a bench or a table to do their business.
Like an outdoor desk.
Yes, people called that bench a banca in Italian, and over time, in English, that word became bank, a place for money.
So, riverbank and money bank both come from the same idea, a raised flat surface, like a bench or a shelf.
Exactly right. One is a natural hill by the water, the other is a wooden bench for counting coins. Different paths, same old idea.
That's so interesting. I always thought maybe a riverbank holds back water like a dam, and a money bank holds your money safe. So maybe that's the connection?
Ha, a lot of people think that. It sounds nice, right? Bank holds water, bank holds money.
Right, it makes sense in my head.
But actually, that's not the real story. It's a nice guess, but it's not true. The real connection is the bench, the raised flat place, not holding back water.
Oh, so that's just a popular guess, not the real history.
Yes, exactly. A popular guess, but not correct. The real answer is bench, shelf, raised ground. That's the connection.
Got it. Okay, let's practice a little. David, where do you keep your money?
I keep my money in the bank. What about you, Alice?
Me too. I keep my money in the bank. And where do you like to walk in the evening?
I like to walk along the riverbank. It's calm and quiet.
Me too. Okay, everyone, try this at home. Say, I keep my money in the bank. And then say, I like to walk by the riverbank.
Let's slow down and repeat the key phrases one more time, nice and clear. Go to the bank. Bank account. Riverbank. Sit by the bank of the river.
One more time, slowly. Go to the bank. Riverbank.
Perfect. Now, here's a fun little story for you. Imagine your friend texts you, "Meet me at the bank at 3 p.m." Where do you go?
Oh no, this is a real problem. Maybe you go to the river, but your friend means the building downtown.
Exactly. That's a real funny mix-up. Same word, two different places. You really need to ask, which bank do you mean?
That's so funny and so true. Okay, last question for everyone. Do you like the riverbank or the money bank better?
Good question. Tell us in the comments, which bank do you like more? Sitting by a riverbank or going to the bank for your money?
We really want to know. Write your answer below.
Thank you so much for watching SomSee Studio today.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye!